See how this machine will make cotton candy. Yeah, there you go, pasta. We'll check it out. They're gonna make a wow cotton candy. Never see one. Is it working yet? Okie dokie. There you go. Patch. There you go. Where's that $6? We do the summer patch. There you go, guys. Pretty cool. Warming, please wait. Yan na.
Then can we do another one for sure?
Yeah, there you go. It's warming up.
Then that can be, Charlotte. What is that?
Ooh, making cotton candy. Robot yung nagme-make ng candy, ah. Wee! Wow! Oh, there you go! Wow! Hey! Nagme-mix sila ng candy, oh. I mean, cotton candy. Wow!
The next one can be Charlotte.
Yes! Okay. Yee. Charlotte, I'll get you guys too. It's okay. I'm just gonna make the first one so I got the copy.
Just not that one.
Yeah. We're gonna make the second one.
I'm gonna have the last one.
Okay, okay.
You can have that one.
They're having fun in this machine. We just see what it looks like afterwards.
What's
But
so big?
it is wow.
That's pretty cool.
I never see one on a... Look at cotton candy. You can actually see it in here too. Yep, it's all yours. It's all yours, Stella. Wowee! Here you go.
Stella, no? What color did
Parang
you pick?
flowers.
What flavor is that?
Cotton candy.
I'm gonna pick which one I want.
Okay, you can pick. Oh wow, it's like a flowers. It's gonna come out soon. There you go, guys. There you go. Wee! Gonna come out somewhere. Wait, I think you're gonna pick it up over here. Hey, oh! Wee! Wow! Is that Stella? Stella, that's yours. Hot. See, you can see the thing is hot. Just pick it up, kiddo. Oh! You're next, Charlotte, ah. Look at Stella. That's what it looks like, guys.